Hello. For this mini project, we are decided to make a waste management automation system that isolate the waste according to its type of material. So, this is our simulation interface. For our simulation interface, we are doing this for the conveyor belt. Contain the conveyor belt that to move the object and three light sensor indicator to show the sensor detect the object. We also have three light indicator that show the single acting cylinder is on. And for 1A, it was a single acting cylinder. 1A is to push the metal tab waste, and 2A is for to push the wood dustbin, and 3A will push the glass tab waste material. And for the other panel, this is our control panel, which is contain the start conveyor, stop conveyor, and power supply switch. And this side is for the input type of the waste that we throw to the rubbish. And first, we will try the metal tab waste material. For the when we choosing the metal tab material, we throw it to the rubbish. We will start the conveyor belt. The object will pass through the sensor, and the capacitive, photoelectric, and inductive sensor will detect the object, and the cylinder 1A will stand by and push the object to the dustbin. So, as we can see in the stimulation, we do it again. At the 1A, the counter will count third when the 1A is open. So we go to the wood stimulation. For the wood start waste material, the capacitive and photoelectric sensor that only detect the object, and the cylinder 2A will stand by to push the object into the wood dustbin, and the wood dustbin counter will count it. And now third, we try to test glass type material. For the glass type material, we throw the rubbish and we start the conveyor. For this type, it's only the capacity sensor will detect the object. So after that, the cylinder 3A will stand by to push the object to the dustbin when the object at the cylinder. And lastly, we will try the plastic type waste management, plastic type material. For the plastic type material, the sensor cannot detect it due to some adjustment for the capacity sensor that we set up to the lower sensitivity, so it only can detect the glass object. It only can detect until the glass object only. Since the sensor does not detect, the waste will go through until the plastic dustbin. So the cylinder cannot, the cylinder doesn't turn on. So for the our simulation animation, we are using the shift register. We are using the shift register to show the object passing through with conveyor belt. The animation for the animation, for animation, the animation will not stop even the waste enter the dustbin. So the counter is used. To show that the waste is entering the dustbin. So in this stimulation, it only can detect one one process at the same time. If we would put the two objects at the same time, the second object cannot be detected because we use keep instruction to keep the sensor like indicators store its data. And last, when we push the stop button, the object will remain at that place. So that's all from us, and last is our reset button for empty. So that's all from us. Thank you.